Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition online lesson on SEMrush's project management tool. Sometimes we get the question, how do we manage all of the projects we've created in SEMrush? If you're an agency or a marketing manager with a diversity of websites to manage, you will want to master the project management tool within SEMrush. The good news, however, is that mastery is easy with the help of this Beat Your Competition online course. We should point out that there are limits to project management in SEMrush. Based on your subscription level, you are only allowed a certain number of projects. At Pro level, you get 5 projects at a time. At Guru level, 50 projects, and at Business level, you have an unlimited number of projects. Did you know? If you head to http://bit.ly/SEMrush-limits, you can see the limits of this and all of the SEMrush tools. Now let us see how the tool works. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and click to assure that we are in the SEO toolkit. Once there, head to the management section of the left sidebar, where you will find the projects link, which we will click. At the top, you can click Limits. This will show you the limits that we just mentioned for your account type. Alternatively, you can click Add New Project to create a new one. You just need to type in the domain and the name of the project. Or a third option is on the top, and that's to share your projects. Here you can select multiple projects and share them with multiple users, inviting them to see or edit those projects. There is a catch, however. You need to make sure that all users are subscribed to one of the paid SEMrush plans. Further down the page, you can sort projects by ownership, name, site health, visibility, ideas to do, audience, scheduled posts, mentions, toxic domains, link building prospects, PPC campaigns and keywords, ads, organic sessions, and social shares. Clicking the star by the project name makes it a favorite and prioritizes across tools and reports. Clicking the settings gear allows you to edit the name, share, or delete the project. By the way, you can click the blue Manage Columns button to add and subtract columns from view. So thanks for checking out the SEMrush Project Manager with us. See you in the next video.